The woman crossing the street does not look at the road and the biker hits the woman.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? It's a zebra! No, you wasn't looking! There's zebra crossing just there! What are you doing?
As the biker goes on the road, piece of cardboard hit him. The footrest of the motorcycle slips and the motorcycle falls on the biker.
I love the tech. Watch out! You okay? You okay? Are you good?
The car going from the left suddenly gets in the way of the biker and hits the biker. A biker crashes while driving on a racetrack. While the biker is driving on the road, he loses control on the bend and falls to the ground. While the biker is driving on the road, the car on the right side suddenly appears in front of him and hits his mirror. While the biker is driving on the road, sheep suddenly appear in front of him and stop at the last moment.
Why does it have two names?
The biker who was driving with his girlfriend on the road, the car on the left suddenly crosses in
This is in
front of
Italy,
him,
so
hits
it's
the car
Bolzano.
and they fall to the ground.
Are you okay?
What the fuck?
Are you okay? What the hell?
Did you break anything?
I broke a Oh. Oh. I'm okay. Are you okay? Huh? I'm okay. Oh, fuck. What the hell?
Deutsch, Italiano?
In every country that I've been to, you're allowed to drive motorcycles in the bus lane, so it's
I'm really glad.
also,
Okay.
yeah, we weren't going so fast, so luckily. Are you okay? Are you hurt?
Maybe? I don't know actually.
No?
Don't show this on camera, they'll be mad at you because I don't have gear. No, don't show it. They'll say you're irresponsible for taking me and stuff.
So from Norway?
Yes.
Oh, you drove all the way down?
Yeah, I've been on the road for 8 months now. 9 months.
What